Hello, my loves. Welcome to the final episode of Jumpstarting Your Vegan Journey. You made it. Boom. You are officially vegan and you are officially thriving. So today we are going to talk about the next steps on how you can continue to thrive on that plant-based journey. We had a whole chit chat about meal planning, how to master the grocery store, and this is key whenever you are going into that abundant vegan experience. You want to know exactly what you want to create, what kind of ingredients you want to incorporate, what kind of swaps and substitutions you would like to do, and the easiest way to do that is by checking out all of the recipes on my One Great Vegan blog. There are so many amazing dishes from simple 1 to 2 level all the way to 5, 6 level recipes that you can make every single day in some kind of way. I have to tell this story. So one of my clients, she came to me and she wanted to make a complete change in her life. She was really struggling with overeating, with diabetes, and her doctor actually told her, hey, you got to make this change. You got to start incorporating plant-based foods into your day-to-day. Well, I had no idea that she was going to follow my recipes, and not gonna lie, y'all, she completely reversed her diabetes. Full circle, reversed her diabetes, and she lost over 100 pounds. Not by sacrificing fried food, not by sacrificing flavor or deliciousness, no, but by eating the rainbow. So I hope you see there is so much power in eating colorful, eating abundant, and eating the way our ancestors have eaten for thousands of years. Another way to thrive while having a vegan experience: find like-minded people and communities, festivals, food experiences, all different kinds of walks from life that explore and celebrate you and your decision to live on a higher vibration. Don't be ashamed. Exist fully in your vegan fabulousness and find people who align with that same mentality. At the end of the day, we are a mentality of kindness, about abundance, about healing our body, the planet, our spirit, and our soul, and not harming any animals or humans along the way. I mean, who doesn't want to join that amazing community? Congratulations! You have made it. You are successfully jumpstarting your vegan journey. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm so excited to see what kind of rainbow-tastic recipes you cook up. We all know going vegan is a continuous learning experience. There is so many things that you can relearn about how to nourish your body, your skin, your spirit, your soul, your whole mentality while continuing on a vegan journey. So I'm thinking you should probably go to onegreatvegan.com because we have so many, a plethora, abundance of options for you. Some of them are free, some of them are premium, but there are so many different kinds of courses, cookbooks, experiences, music, high vibrations, whatever you need to get your glow on. I will see you all next time in the Colorful Home Cooking Show, where we are gonna be doing exactly that. Cooking up something colorful, vibing, singing, and having amazing time. I'll see y'all there. Bye.
Beautiful. That's a wrap.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap. That's a wrap.
Jumpstarting your vegan journey.
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 Jumpstarting your vegan journey.